Hello and welcome to tutorial how to use OneDrive and how to use Microsoft 365 Outlook. So let's start. From the beginning you can use any kind of browser. You can use the Google or you can use the Microsoft Edge or Safari. It doesn't matter which one it is. In this I will use Microsoft Edge. When you open it, just type it here in the search bar, Microsoft Office 365 and press search. When you press the search, it will show you this Office 365 login. So just click on that one and here we go. So here says different name, but I will sign in with different account. So when you go to sign in, it will ask you email address. I will type my email address here, but you will type email address that you received from school. When you finish with typing email address, just go to sign in. It will ask you the password. So type the password that is provided from school. And then sign in. It will ask you, do you want to stay sign in? You can say yes. And here we are. Now, this is the first site how it will look like when you log in on the Microsoft Office 365. So how to use email, how to use SharePoint, and how to use OneDrive. So let's start. Here on the left side you have this bar with the icons, and every single time when you go on the icon it shows you different app. As you can see, it goes Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. So let's start with the Outlook. That is the email that we will use if somebody is sending us the mail, for example teachers or somebody else. So you just need to click here. It will open new tab. As you can see, it's loading, and here we are. This is the Outlook. So here you have the folders where it shows inbox email, junk mail, or sent mails, or if you delete the mails, it will show you here. But most of the mails that they will come in the inbox mail. How to see the mail? To see the mail, it's just you need to click on the mail that you like to see. So here, for example, I like to see this Microsoft Viva, so I will click here and it will show me the mail. How to answer on this mail? You can use these two options. It says reply or reply all. So when you go on reply, it means you will just reply to that person, specific person. But if you say reply all, that means it will reply to everyone who are in the mail. So if I go to reply, it will open the new window, and here I can type any message that I like. If you want to send, click send. If you want to discard and create a new message, just discard, and it will ask you, do you want? Say okay. But if you want to send, just send. That is how to find email in the Outlook. Now, how to find OneDrive. So as I said, this left bar here, just go down, and here this is the OneDrive. When you click on the OneDrive, it will open new tab, and here it will be shown. So here the teachers will publish something, some files or folders that you will be able to see it, but also you will be able to upload the files or folders. So for example, if I want to upload a file, I will go here, files, and I will, for example, take this, and you can see it here, it's uploading and it's uploaded. and says when, who, and what is the size. If I want to delete that, just click on this one, and here you have option. You can share with somebody, you can download or delete, or even to rename. So if you click rename, you can put this any type of title and just click rename. And here we are. The name is changed. You want to download. So for every single time when you're using something, first you need to select, and then it will give you these options right here. So if you want to download, just download, and here it says it's downloaded. I just need to open the file. So just to be sure, if you want to see that file, to download or to share with somebody, always use here to select the file. Even if you don't see, just go to the file and small circle will show you. You just click on that one, that's it. If you go to select here, that means everything will be selected. So if you go just on that file, that one file specific will be selected. But if you go here, all files in that folder or in that OneDrive will be selected. So if I want to delete this file, I will click, as I said, select and delete. It will ask me, do I want to delete? Yes. And it's deleted. Also here you can see recent. Recent, that means the files that are shared with you from teacher. Here are shared files. And recycle bin, the files that you deleted. That's the way how to use OneDrive. Now, how to use the SharePoint? SharePoint is just here also, and you can see this small S with green circles. That's the SharePoint. Even when you go with the mouse, as you can see, it says SharePoint. So just click to open it. You will get like this. Welcome to the start page. It will explain you all. So you just can close this one, and there you go. This is where you can find everything what from teachers that they send it to you or they upload it, or go to the start point, share. As you can see, there's nothing right now that I didn't create, but you can put the files, create a new folder. So here you will be able to see how to find files. So you just need to click on the files, same like OneDrive. There's no difference. Here you have my files, recent, if you uploaded something or created something. Here my sites, but site means you creating something different. So the SharePoint is same like OneDrive, almost the same. You can upload, you can download and do everything what is possible in OneDrive. It's also possible to do it in the SharePoint. Thank you for watching this tutorial.